What is happening? And welcome back to the channel. So last night, knocked out painting. Oh man, that almost hit my foot. Knocked out painting this part. I forgot that I needed to sand this part down, so I'm going to do the rest of that sanding prep work tonight. And then I'm going to be bashing the hell out of the subframe right here, making room for the B-Series alternator. And then doing some prep work over here, and then painting this side, and then hopefully my engine bay will look nice and fresh. I'm just going to dent in this entire area until it makes me feel uncomfortable. Alright, that looks a lot better than it did. Now I'll just hit everything with the sanding pad and give it another once over, cleaning it out with some degreaser, making sure I get all this dirt that fell out of the frame. Alright, got everything prepped up pretty good. I'm going to do a little bit more taping off up and around the edges here, just to make sure I don't get any of this stuff. And then hit it with some white primer, do like enough coats until it starts to turn white, and then let that cure really quick, and then do some blue. If you're painting, you should always use a respirator. You can get one of these at Harbor Freight for like 10 or 15 bucks, and any protection is going to be better than no protection, but if you can afford to paint your car, you can afford to get a mask. So what a night and day difference this is. Had a few overspray spots, but not too much. A few undersprayed spots, but I'm debating on spraying down some clear coat in here. I think I can just kind of send it. So I'm gonna let this garage kind of air out and clean up this mess over here. So let's get that'll be the thumbnail. At least it's not all chipped up anymore. I mean, like, this is like a brand new car, you know? So that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. I am so stoked that I took the time to do this. It's night and day difference. It is just amazing looking. I am so stoked on this. It came out really good. Here's the dented area. If I would have sanded it down some more, it could have been like smooth like that, but you can barely even tell that that's been abused. I just hope that I got enough of this dented in, because I do not want to have to hammer it out some more. There's a few spots with overspray. Don't really care at all. I'm stoked. This looks great from this distance, and that's as close as anyone should be to my car anyway. So like I said, that's gonna do it. I don't even know what I'm gonna do next. Like, I guess button up the, you know, the stuff that I took off and clean that stuff up, and then I don't know, I guess it's time to put this motor in. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Peace out. Where are the wires?
I don't know.
That's what I'm saying.
They're missing.